Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix screen flickering or tearing while playing games in Windows 11. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapter, right-click Display Adapter, Update Driver, browse My Computer for drivers. Click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Display. Set recommended scale. Choose best display resolution. Click Advanced Display, click Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. Change Screen Refresh Rate. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.